Mathologist, got one. What does the tree do when it wants to get on the internet? It logs on. What's up, Mathologist? We are here today looking at long division, my favorite type of division, okay? Why? It's because it's the shortest, it's the quickest once you really lock it down, okay? So I want you to pay attention to these steps so that we can work through it together. Let's get it. So we have a few different letters, right? An order that's going to help us remember how to do this division, right? This long division, right? You should see this on your mission launch as well. You have D, M, S, B, R. This is going to be an acronym to help us remember what steps to do. So let's first go through what these letters mean. First, we're going to have divide, right? And these are all going to be mathematical terms or at least steps that tell us how to solve this long division. So next, you can probably guess it, multiply. Our S is going to be subtract. Now when you get to that B, it's not a math term, but it is a step. It is bring down. All right, like put a little down arrow so I remember. And lastly, we'll have repeat. We will have repeat, okay? Now these are our steps for, once again, long division with no remainders, okay? No remainders, nothing left over. So if you want to remember this order, I'd suggest coming up with something that kind of helps you, like donuts makes Sarah's belly rumble, or something, whatever makes you, float your boat or finds your lost remote, okay? So let's jump right into it. The first step is to divide. And what that really means is we want to figure out how many times our 3 can go into that 7, right? How many times we can divide that 7 by 3 equally, right? So obviously 3 can only go into 7 2 times, right? It can only go into 7 2 times. So we're going to put that 2 right here above the 7, okay? Now that's our first step done. Now we're going to multiply our divisor, right? So the number on the outside times the number we just put up top. So 3 times 2, that gives us 6. So we're going to place that right underneath our 7, right? Underneath that first place, our 10th place here. And then we're going to subtract. 7 minus 6 gives us 1. And yep, you guessed it, we're going to then bring down. That's why I put our arrow there. Remember, I'm going to bring down the 5. If you have another number out here, right, let's say if it was 750, if you had another number out there, you do not bring that number down just yet, all right? You bring down one number at a time, but for our number here, we just had one number anyway. So we bring down our 5, and then we're going to repeat. Repeat means we're going to start our steps over, but now with this as our divisor, or as our dividend. So I like to also bring down my 3. And then we just go again. How many times can 3 divide into 15, right? 15 divided by 3, we're going to know that's going to be 5, right? Or 3 can go into 15 5 times. 5 times 3 is 15. Then we subtract. We have 0 left. There's nothing to bring down, so that means we don't repeat, and our quotient is 25, all right? Let's get it.